He said that they did have a good conversation, but even as the U.S. tries to broker peace, the fighting is continuing. Ukraine's foreign minister says Russian bombing on Christmas night killed and injured Ukrainians in Odessa, Kyiv, and Chernihiv, to just name a few of the
World Air Headquarters in Chicago. Right now, we are following pivotal developments on the war in Ukraine as Ukraine's President Zelensky says he will meet with President Trump in Florida this weekend. The two leaders set to discuss security guarantees, a potential economic agreement, and territorial issues as the end of the fourth year of fighting between Russia and Ukraine inches closer. News Nation's Hannah Brandt is live at the White House. So, Hannah, this is the latest in this extensive push by the U.S. to end the war. What are we expecting?
Well, Nicole, Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky shared the news about this meeting this morning. He says he plans to go down to Florida to sit down with President Trump this Sunday. Of course, President Trump has been spending the holidays down there at Mar-a-Lago. Zelensky tells reporters that the 20-point peace proposal that's been at the heart of raising costs is about 90% ready. Now, this comes after President Zelensky said he spoke to lead U.S. negotiators, Special Envoy Steve Witkoff, and President Trump's son-in-law, Jared Kushner, on Christmas.
Yeah, we can. We should really, Bobby. We should. Yeah, it's gone. Yeah, it's home now. It's empty in the bin, Bobby.